Before opening AutoCAD, please go to Blackboard and download the inegtemplate.dwg file. This will be the template file that we use throughout the AutoCAD portion of the course. Start AutoCAD like you would any Windows program, and make sure you're starting AutoCAD 2015. Once AutoCAD starts, you can actually just click here to start drawing, or I highly recommend you get used to using the template file. To do that, click Open Files, navigate to where you've stored the template file, and open it. As an alternate method, you can open AutoCAD simply by double-clicking the template file. Now that we have AutoCAD open, let's take a look around. This is the drawing area. Whenever your mouse cursor is over the drawing area, it will transform into a crosshairs. Most commands can be found through the ribbon, a traditional Windows ribbon interface. You can click the different tabs to go to different ribbons. For the moment, you'll be using the Home tab mostly. There are other useful toolbars over here for pan and zoom, and also down here for some common drawing tools that we'll get to later. To give you a quick illustration, let's start a line. You'll notice that whenever you hold or hover your mouse over a command, it will give you first a brief description of the command and then some help. Let's click line. We'll click with our left mouse button to start the line, click with our left mouse button to end the line, and right click and click enter to stop. There are other ways to enter AutoCAD commands aside from the tools. You can simply type the command, for instance line, and now you'll see I'm in the line command. You can also use shortcuts if you know them. For example, L is a shortcut for line, and then now I'm in the drawing command. You can also use the keyboard to enter parameters for your geometry as you draw it. For example, let's draw a circle by specifying the center and radius. I'll use my left mouse button to click to indicate the center of the circle. Now I can use my left mouse button to specify the radius, but to be precise, if I want exactly a radius of 0.5, for instance, I can type 0.5, press enter on my keyboard, and I have my circle. To zoom in and zoom out, the most convenient way is to use your mouse wheel. As I rotate the mouse wheel towards myself, I zoom out. As I rotate in, I zoom in. If I hold down the mouse wheel, this allows me to pan. If you prefer, you can actually use the pan tool over here. Click pan, and then I'm using my left mouse button to pan the geometry. There are also zoom tools on this toolbar. The most useful is probably Zoom All. Zoom All will automatically zoom and pan to make your drawing fit within your screen. You can experiment with the other zoom commands on your own. Returning to the line command, we click line, use our left mouse button to indicate the start point and the end point of the line, and we can continue using the left mouse button to continue drawing lines. When we're done, we right-click and hit Enter. That finishes the command. Some users don't like that two-step process to end the command. You can get around that by going to the Options menu. Under the User Preferences tab, click on Right-Click Customization and click Turn on Time-Sensitive Right-Click. Now when I draw a line, I use my left mouse button to start the line, left mouse button to end the line, and a quick right-click terminates the command. If, however, I want access to that right-click menu, I can do a long right-click, so hold down the right mouse button, and then I have access to these commands if I need them. Ultimately, it's up to you how you wish to draw. I prefer to work with the time-sensitive right-click, so all of the examples in these videos will have that option turned on.